Yo, musta? Ako si Hiru at tara, pag-usapan natin yung mga nangyari itong mga nakaraang buwan. Bagong lahat, may ilalagay akong clip sa vid na to. And that is myself, that's my past self, asking kung kumusta ako, kung kumusta yung future self niya. And I guess, ito muna yung masasagot ko sa'yo. My old self, my past self.
Being a fourth year right now, it feels so surreal and sobrang bilis. As in, ayun lang. And kung ano man yung magiging message ko sa sarili ko in the future, just wanna ask you, tol, kung kumusta ka? Are you happy? Um, are you still with Gianna? No, I'm just kidding. You should be. You should be with Gianna in the future. Ako, tol, sana masaya ka. Oo. Sana na-let go mo na yung mga thoughts na nakakapagpapigil sa'yong ma-achieve yung full potential mo. Ayun lang. Sana masaya ka. Sana gusto mo yung ginagawa mo diyan sa future. Message ko pabalik kapag kaya mo na. Kapag andyan ka na. Anyways, ayun lang. Bye.
So anyways, kumusta na ako? Kailan ko ba in-upload yung feed? August 19 na ata, 2025. So, bali last year. Kumusta ako ngayon? I'm doing okay. And, to answer your question, kasi may tanong dun na nagulat ako kasi pinakinggan ko lang kanina ulit. Kasi I was just wondering about, about my classmates. Kasi dun sa dun sa video na yun, tinanong ko yung mga kaklase ko, some of my classmates actually. Tinanong ko kung ano yung thoughts nila bilang fourth year at the same time kung ano yung masasabi nila sa future self nila. And hindi ko akalain na nasama pala yung may nasama pala ako dun sa vid na yun. And yeah, sige, sagutin natin, di ba? Sagutin natin. Kumusta ako? Masaya ba ako? Kung i-rate ko from the scale of 1 to 10, siguro ngayon 7. Pero nung mga nakarang buwan, 3, 4, something like that. Pero ngayon, I would rate it at 7. And, wala lang, it feels good kasi somehow, parang nagba-bounce back na ulit ako sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko. Although, di naman ganun ka-perfect gaya ng dati. Although, hindi ko naman sinasabi na perfect dati. What I'm trying to say is that, somehow, nagagawa ko na yung mga bagay na gusto ko ulit. Ngayon. And, masaya. Masaya sa pakiramdam. Pero syempre, hindi katulad ng dati. But at least, may progress. 'Di ba? Kahit kakarampot lang na progress. Masarap pa rin i-acknowledge kahit papano, kahit napakalit ng progress ko everyday. Yeah. And to answer your question, if am I still with Bleep? Hindi na bro. Hindi na. Hindi na. She cheated on me. She cheated on you. And the time na you were recording this, I mean, you were recording that vid, August 19, yun yung time na parang na-feel mo na something's off eh. Siguro that's why you asked kung are you still, kung am I still with, you know, your ex. Pero, yeah. Thankfully, hindi na. Sabihin ko sana, unfortunately. But yeah, she cheated. That's it. But anyways, ba't nga ba ako nag-record ulit ngayon? Nakaramdam lang ako ng feeling na, I feel like I need to make kwento. Hindi lang sa mga manonood nito, but like sa sarili ko din. Kasi I've been detached. I've been super detached sa lahat ng bagay recently, as in. And ever since na nag-New Year, it felt like I was a new person already. Maybe because of the things that happened in the past. Siguro dahil doon. Kaya somehow, nakaramdam ako ng pagbabago sa sarili ko. Nung una, nakakabigla and at the same time, it's overwhelming. The change that's happening to myself. The changes, I mean. Sobrang overwhelming. Sa mindset, sa actions, the way I perceive things, the way I, you know, respond to things or to some certain or specific situations. Ang daming nagbago. And nung una, sobrang overwhelming. But as time goes by, somehow I feel like I have no choice but to accept my becoming. Or, alam mo yun, instead of questioning myself or instead of questioning the changes that's happening to myself day by day, it, I just felt like maybe I should just accept it. Maybe I should just embrace myself for who am I becoming, for who I am becoming. Does that make any sense? And ngayon, somehow, na, alam mo yun, parang hindi ko pa naman naiintindihan totally yung sarili ko kasi, alam mo yun, growing is continuous. Hindi lang siya natatapos sa isang araw or wala siyang end point kasi it is continuous. 'Di ba? Hanggang tumanda ka, you're still gonna learn. Magbabago ka pa rin. And somehow, just by, thinking about it, parang na-remind lang ulit ako kung gaano kasarap na buhay kasi, I mean, I feel like it's a privilege for us to witness the changes sa sarili natin, sa paligid natin, sa ibang tao, sa mga kaibigan natin. It is really a privilege for us to witness those things, happen. Kasi it only means na we're still alive and yeah, sobrang privilege niya kasi, I mean, growing, the thought of, you know, ma-outgrow mo yung old self mo, the thought of being better compared sa old self mo, I feel like it's a privilege. Kasi, I don't know, like, ang pangit kasi kapag kunwari, alam mo yun, ang pangit magstay sa kung sino ka lang, sa kung sino ka before. Pero syempre, we should always, ano pa rin naman, piliin pa rin naman natin lagi yung mga bagay na, alam mo yun, na, or yung mga pagbabago sa sarili natin na maganda, or yung mga positive changes. Yung mga negative changes, let's take our time to, you know, to think or to reflect if helpful ba to sa sarili ko or am I gonna would this help my future self or would this liberate myself or the other people around me, diba? Yeah, currently it feels good and at the same time overwhelming pa rin yung mga pagbabago na nangyayari sa buhay ko, sa sarili ko, sa lifestyle ko, sa career ko and all. Although, 'di ba? Hindi ko naman sinasabi na, may career na ako. Papunta pa lang. Papunta pa lang ako. And yeah, I feel like that's it. And to going back lang sa clip na i-insert ko dito. Until now, it feels surreal. Yeah, until now, it really feels surreal na gagraduate na ako. Diba? Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, graduate na dapat ako. And, you know, just by showing up every day, just by showing up despite of the things that happened in the past, despite of the struggles, despite of, you know, difficulties in life, kahit mahirap, just by showing up, andito na ako. And it's fascinating. Kasi, who would have thought, right? Who would have thought na I would get to this point of my life? Kahit ako sa sarili ko, sa totoo lang, hindi ako makapaniwala na gagraduate na ako. Tapos na yung OJT ko. Waiting na lang ako ng graduation ko, ng graduation. And yun, mag-aasikaso na lang ng requirements. Until now, it really feels real. Sa totoo lang. And I just want to take this moment to tell you guys and to tell myself as well that I am proud of you guys. And I am proud of myself as well. Proud ako sa inyo at sa sarili ko for showing up. Proud ako sa inyo kasi kahit na sobrang hirap ng mga bagay-bagay sa buhay, andito ako pa rin. And you're still choosing to move forward despite of those things that's, hindering you for achieving the best version of yourself. And you know what? I am rooting for you. Yes, I am rooting for all of you guys. For myself. Na, alam mo yun, sana makamit natin yung success na hinahangad natin. Although, di ba, success is subjective. Nagkakaiba-iba yung definition natin ng success. May it be, para sa iba, yung success is magkaroon ng maraming pera. Yung iba, sa iba, yung success, it means just being contented in life. And whatever your definition of success, no matter the definition of your success is, I am rooting for you all. Na sana dumating yung future or sana dumating yung oras, yung panahon na panalo ka na. Yeah. But actually, before getting to that point of your life, syempre, you need to, you need to see the things in life right now na, kasi ngayon pa lang actually panalo ka na eh. Kasi andito ka. And, parang you have the choices na gawin yung mga bagay na sa tingin mo nakakapagdala sa'yo patungo dun sa destination na gusto mo. And you know what, sometimes it's not entirely about, the destination. Sometimes it's about the journey itself. I feel like it is always about the journey itself. Kasi, I don't know, like, imagine, di ba? Di ka naman kasi makakarating dun sa future na gusto mo. Kung ngayon pa lang, hindi mo na ina-align yung sarili mo dun sa future na sa tingin mo kaya mong ma-achieve. So, instead of just manifesting, or instead of just dreaming about your future, about your best self, you know, it will always take a little, step by step, every day. And yeah, tagal ko na ito sinasabi na kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, it would depict your future. And ay, so, dahil na putol yung wait, kasi wala nang storage. But yeah, as I was talking about kanina, I'm just talking about, I'm just talking about what you do right now reflects sa magiging future mo in the future. And yeah, I feel like that's it. And again, to summarize it all, it really feels surreal right now that I'm graduating. And somehow, just by thinking about the future, it scares me. Because, like, the fear of the unknown. Kasi, sino ba sa atin yung may alam kung saan tayo papunta, or kung ano ba yung magiging lagay natin in the future, di ba? Wala. I mean, siguro meron. Yung mga pulido na talaga, or yung mga structured na plano para sa future nila. But like, sometimes, kahit na may plano ka ngayon, minsan di naman nasusunod eh. Di ba? Ay na, outing nyo nga, di natutuloy. Nah, I'm just kidding. But like, you know, just thinking about the future, just thinking about 5 years from now, you know, it scares me, yeah, but at the same time, it excites me. Na-excite ako kung ano na ba itsura ko 5 years from now. Or even 6 months from now, di ba? After graduation, di ba? Sige, palitin natin yung time frame. 6 months from now, or like after graduation, second half of 2026, what would I look like? Wait, maybe, sige, gawin natin to. So this is my question for my future self after graduation. Kumusta ka? Ano na itsura mo? Masaya ka pa ba? Ano yung nararamdaman mo at the moment? May relationship ka na ba ulit? Or wala? Please, sana wala. I swear to God. Wag na. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, wag na. Wag na. Ako na mismo nagsasabi sa'yo, wag na. Boy, ano pa ba? Are you still friends sa mga kaibigan mo currently? Ano pa ba? I feel like that's it. That's only my question for now. And for my future self, like my pinaka-future self, actually gawin ko na tong reference sa lahat. Yeah. Nakaka-excite, sa totoo lang. Nakaka-excite, at the same time nakakatakot. Siyempre nakakatakot kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung mangyayari in the future. But like, just thinking about it, just thinking about the future, again, it scares me, but at the same time, it excites me. Na-excite ako sa thought na, alam mo yun, ano nakaitsura ko, ganyan. Ano nakailagay ko in the future, ganyan. Am I still friends with, with my friends right now, diba? Dito sa present self ko. And somehow, kapag tinignan mo siya sa ganoong way, somehow it would give you, something to look forward in life. And it would give you, the courage, and at the same time too, and at the same time, it would give you, you know, enough drive to live. Grabe, ang sarap mabuhay. Promise, ang sarap mabuhay. Yes, minsan mahirap. Minsan mahirap talaga. But you know what? Ang sarap mabuhay kasi you got to experience it all. Imagine, you got to eat a lot of good foods. Diba? You got to watch a lot of good shows. Whether it be animes, K-dramas, documentaries, and movies. Diba? And, whew, grabe. And napanood nyo ba yung recently, yung parang yung Artemis 2? And boy oh boy, I swear to God, just by watching that, you know, space expedition, though that mission, it made me, oh, I swear to God, parang somehow, ang sarap ulit na buhay. Kasi, when I was a child, I feel like this is a universal experience. When I was a child, I used to dream about being astronaut. I used to dream about, you know, being into space, being, you know, being in there. And yung mga speech nila, every speech nila, every time na napapanood ko sa TikTok or anywhere, sometimes, it it reminds me that, humanity still exists. Sometimes humans are cute. Sometimes humans are beautiful, but like, I don't know, bro, sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa mundo, I feel like kailangan natin yung kailangan natin yung experience nila to remind us na we are just we are merely a speck of a dust in the universe. And yet, you know, ganito tayo sa isa't isa. And yet, di ba, we're we're being hard on ourselves, on other people. Ang sarap mabuhay. Sarap mabuhay. Promise. Maybe, maybe some would say na I am saying this out of privilege. Well, yeah, di ko naman dinedeny yun. Somehow, na-acknowledge ko na privileged ako in life. Although, hindi naman ganun ka-privileged, but like, privileged enough to, to have choices in life, to have plenty of options in life. Still, siguro, di ba kanina nasabi ko na somehow sobrang detached ko sa mga bagay-bagay. I feel like isang bagay lang hindi ako maging detached. Yun ay yung realidad. Siyempre, ang hirap naman talaga ng buhay, but like, sometimes, sa sobrang hirap ng buhay, just gonna see every little things in life. And wala, mareremind ka lang na, fuck man, this is what I live for. Especially when it comes to arts. Sa mga di alam, artsy ako. Artsy ako. And bro, to live for the hope of it all. Yeah, I feel like that's it. this would be my message to my future self as well. Kung ito sasabihin ko sa'yo, future self, future Kiro. Kung nasan ka man ngayon, I am hoping na you're happy and andyan pa rin yung spark sa'yo. Andyan pa rin yung spark mo sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. At sana wag mong hayaan na baguhin ka ng mundo. Although, okay lang naman magkaroon ng, konting pagbabago, but like, you know what I'm saying. I know you know. Yeah, and I love you. I really do. I love you so much. Pasensya ka na. Diba? Minsan harsh ako sa sarili ko, sa'yo. Oh yeah, I always love you. I will always love you. And yeah, ayun lang. Ayun lang for this, for this video, for this yap session. Ang sarap mabuhay. Yun lang. Peace!